What are the main types of polygons in geometry? Have you ever wondered how many different shapes you can create using straight lines? Polygons are fascinating flat shapes made up of straight line segments connected end to end, forming a closed figure. Let's break down the main types of polygons and discover what makes each one unique. First, polygons can be categorized by the number of sides they have. A triangle has 3 sides, while a quadrilateral has 4. If you add one more side, you get a pentagon with 5 sides. Moving up, a hexagon has 6 sides, a heptagon has 7, and an octagon has 8 sides. For 9 sides, we call it a nonagon, and for 10 sides, it is a decagon. If you keep going, you can have a hendecagon with 11 sides or a dodecagon with 12 sides. Polygons with even more sides are often referred to as n-gons, where n represents the number of sides. Next, we can look at polygons based on the lengths of their sides and the measures of their angles. Regular polygons have all sides and angles equal. Think of an equilateral triangle or a square. Both are regular polygons. On the other hand, irregular polygons have sides and angles that are not all equal. A rectangle, for example, has equal angles but unequal sides, making it irregular. Another way to classify polygons is by their angles and shape. Convex polygons have all interior angles less than 180 degrees, and none of their vertices point inward. Common examples include squares and regular pentagons. In contrast, concave polygons have at least one interior angle greater than 180 degrees, creating a dent in the shape. These can look like stars or other shapes with indentations. Lastly, we can categorize polygons based on their boundary properties. A simple polygon has sides that only meet at their endpoints, enclosing a single interior region. A complex polygon, however, has sides that intersect each other at places other than the endpoints, leading to self-intersecting shapes. Understanding these categories helps us make sense of the world of polygons. For example, knowing if a polygon is regular or irregular can help predict its symmetry and angle measures. Recognizing convex versus concave shapes aids in understanding how the polygon behaves in space. Polygons are not just theoretical shapes, they have practical applications too. In architecture and design, regular polygons are often used for their symmetry and aesthetic appeal. In computer graphics, convex polygons are preferred for easier rendering and collision detection. Understanding concave polygons is also important in fields like robotics and game development, where shapes may have indentations. By focusing on the number of sides, the equality of sides and angles, and the shape of the polygon's interior angles, you can confidently classify any polygon you come across in geometry.